Presentation is an overview of the CustomerPulse program designed in partnership with the graphics communications industry. We partner with associations, franchises, and publishers to test, refine, and standardize programs. By working with Survey Advantage, you receive programs designed for the industry, and members of these organizations receive discounts as well. This session will cover 3 areas necessary to grow your business. First, how to preserve recurring job revenues by being alerted immediately when customers are dissatisfied or at risk of leaving. Second, how to earn more of your customers' business by expanding your knowledge of what they buy elsewhere. And third, how to close new accounts by generating referrals from your most loyal customers. Here are a couple examples of how successful printers are benefiting from CustomerPulse. Ted Raymond learned of a large account ready to leave, met with them within 24 hours, and turned the account around. Peter Gardner benefits from reacting quicker to job-related issues. With CustomerPulse, you receive an email alerting you immediately when customers are dissatisfied. The email includes a link to their survey for quick and effective follow-up. On average, 2 to 5% of all surveys fall into the at-risk category where you want to follow up quickly. The majority of your customers will give you a second chance if you react quickly, but the challenge is knowing when customers are unhappy to give you that chance. In this example, you receive an alert since the customer selected unlikely to recommend and they are at risk of leaving. Our program alerts you immediately so you can react. Lori and Jim explained how CustomerPulse is helping them win new business in existing accounts. Jim received information about jobs bought elsewhere, started quoting, and won new jobs. Lori manages an implant printer, yet we uncovered new opportunities in 25% of her customers, and now she is winning some of that business. With CustomerPulse, you are able to capture a larger piece of the sales in each account. Here's an example of how we uncovered several dozen opportunities, and print buyers commented they were unaware of the service or never considered the printer. Sales teams leverage this information, and we tailor the approach to deliver qualified leads. Jim Quinn shared how the referral program dials into their account base, generates referrals, and results in new accounts. He received 5 referrals in the first month using CustomerPulse and closed a new account worth multiple print jobs a year. An effective way to get new accounts is to ask loyal customers. The problem is that we sometimes don't have the time or structure to ask for referrals regularly. With CustomerPulse, we integrate a referral program. We ask your loyal customers for referrals at the right time with the right incentive to get referrals. Awarding customers for referrals and keeping this top of mind helps close new accounts. In the last slide, we demonstrated the importance of customer loyalty to drive referrals. At the heart of CustomerPulse is our powerful print buyer feedback database. We find on average 82% of print buyers are very likely to recommend the printer they buy from, but the best run printers are over 90%. The program includes real-time monitoring and benchmarking of your customers' loyalty. By driving up loyalty, you drive up referrals and new accounts. It is important to survey repeat buyers no more than every 60 to 90 days to keep customers engaged. We manage survey frequency at the individual contact level to ensure a pleasant customer experience that builds loyalty. Your customers will see an invitation that is personal, short, inviting, and takes less than a minute to complete. You will receive an email with the report link each morning whenever new responses came in the previous day. You may also post a report link to your desktop or in your favorites, but most like the proactive daily notification as well. Reports are easy to use and available anytime. You may filter by date range for monthly or quarterly trending, export data into Excel for analysis, and view individual survey responses for follow-up. You can quickly respond at the account and order level when viewing comments by clicking the assigned survey number when reading comments. For printers with multiple locations or part of a peer group, you may want to benchmark customer loyalty. In this case, location 2 initially struggled a little, but got on track later in the year. You will be able to use the information to set goals on a regular basis. CustomerPulse is a fully managed service where we drive the process. Here's what you should expect. 20 to 30% response rates from your customers on a continual basis. 25% of those responding sharing meaningful comments. 10 to 15% sharing what they buy from other printers, and 3% sharing a referral or someone they know who needs printing services. Most MIS providers make it easy to export shipping information used for CustomerPulse. Initial setup typically takes 15 minutes. We supply you with the report format, then we manage 100% of the surveying process going forward. Email address is the only field needed for CustomerPulse, but you may want us to use other fields from the report for 2 reasons. 1, to personalize customer invitations, and the second reason is to append information to return surveys. Appending known customer information helps sales and service teams during follow-up. With CustomerPulse, you have peace of mind knowing that you are engaging each customer on a regular basis and reacting quickly to opportunities. Here's a list of what you receive. Guidance on how to drive response rates and build customer loyalty. Creation of a customized survey branded to your business. Ongoing survey frequency management for repeat buyers. Complete management of the survey launch process, including email list management and survey delivery. Ongoing response rate monitoring to adjust surveys and maintain customer engagement. Free program updates from our lessons learned. We are surveying for hundreds of businesses and you'll benefit from what we learn. And hassle-free management of the process for less than 5 minutes of your time each month. Pricing is $49 a month for a monthly launch, $69 a month if you want us to launch every 2 weeks, and $99 a month if you want us to launch every week. The reason for the weekly and bi-weekly launch options is if you want us to deliver surveys closer to when product is delivered. There's a one-time setup of $100, no additional fees, no long-term commitment, cancel anytime, 100% guarantee. Check with your association for promotions and discounts. The next steps would be to fill out the short setup form to customize the process to your business and set up a time to finalize the first launch. Please contact us directly for more details or visit our printer webpage to view case studies and references. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to helping you preserve revenue and expand your business.